Hello! In this short video, I'm going to show to you how to find the files you need to install Minitab, since this seems to be a question that a lot of you are asking. I'm hoping that you notice I am logged into mynorthwood.edu, and specifically I'm on the My Courses/Orgs tab. Your organization might look a little bit different from mine, simply because I am a teacher and you are a student. So you should have your class lists here regardless. This might be a little bit different on the side depending on what you're looking at, but most of you have the academic module and the internship module placed there unless you reorganized it yourself. And then over here you have your organizations list. One of these things in your list you should see is the IT resources course shell. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Boy, this is going fast. All right. I was worried it was going to be slow. Once you arrive here, you'll notice to your left that there's this lovely list of all this stuff, and under software downloads, you will see Minitab/Minitab Express, and you want to click on that. And then you'll notice there's all these documents about how to download Minitab. Woohoo! So there's the Windows PC version and the Mac Express version. So if you have a Mac, you'll need to download this version instead of the 17, or no, wait, are we on 18? We're on whatever version we're on. I think we're on 18. Sorry that that's so obnoxious that I'm not really sure. I think we're on 18. Oh yes, we just updated to 18 in the summer. That's right. Anyway, Express and 18 are a little bit different. If you have a Mac, you do have to download Express. If you have a PC, you can actually choose from either of these two, whichever you prefer. Express does look a little bit flashier, but it's simpler, so you can't do as many things with it. If you're intending to take Stats 2 and you're a PC person, I suggest that you download the full version, not the Express version. But if you're crunched for time or have a little bit of a weaker computer, I would do the Express version. The other thing you may or may not need to download is the license file, which is this file that says minitab.lic. Do not open this file, but make sure that you download it into the same folder that you download the version of Minitab or Minitab Express in. So make sure you follow these instructions to the letter and you should be good. If you have trouble with this, you'll need to contact IT because it will be specific for your computer, which is not something I can necessarily troubleshoot or help you with, unfortunately. So, happy installing!